dear students, welcome in this YouTube channel. This is the question which I have asked you in the previous video. So I'm giving the solution of this question in this video. So let's see what is the question. Sum of the ages of 10 students before 10 years was 10 years. After 10 years, what will be the sum of the ages of that 10 students? So in this question, two conditions are given. From now, 10 years before, what was the sum of the ages, and from now 10 years later, what was the sum of their ages. So if I talk about the past, so 10 years before from now, the sum of the ages of that 10 students is 10 years. Now if I go 10 years later than now, so if you see the difference between these years, 10 years from before now and 10 years later, then there is a 20 years difference between this time interval, right? So one is 10 years in the past and other is 10 years in the future. So there is a total difference of 20 years. So each student will be older than 20 years than before. So there is increment of 20 years in the age of each student. So there are 10 students, so their age increment will be 10 into 20, that is 200, right? So their ages will be increased by 200. So earlier the sum was 10 years, now the sum is 200 years बढ़ गया. So total sum now it is 10 plus 200, that is 210 years. So this will be the solution of this question. You can see the lines what I have written. Sum of ages of 10 students 10 years before is 10 years. Since after 10 years from now, each student will be 20 years older than 10 years before. So increase in the sum of ages of 10 students will be 200, 20 into 10, 200. So total sum now will be this 200 plus this 10. So it is 210 years. So this way we will do this question. Thanks for watching.